Hey guys, thanks for returning, and to see how I got this colorful pride look, continue to watch.
We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky.
So to begin with, I'm going to prime my eyelids, and I will be using my MAC paint pot. So throughout this whole video, I will be using only this eyeshadow palette, and it's the Sleek eyeshadow palette. I use all the colors, all the bright colors out of this palette on this eye look. So for anybody that's returning, or if you're new to my channel, everybody know I have hooded eyelids. So to cut my crease, I used the same MAC paint pot and just went above my eyelid so you could see my cut crease. Okay y'all, so I guess I lied, but I forgot that I did use another palette, and I used just one color out of this palette, and I used the color Fade, and I just put that on top of the MAC paint pot just to pretty much kind of set it and to give it more of a smoother finish. So I went in with my favorite eyeliner, which is by Kat Von D, which is in Trooper Black, and just did a regular wing liner. Unfortunately, when I put my foundation and my concealer on, my camera wasn't recording, so I couldn't put that video in, but I followed my regular routine with foundation, and I just went in with this Airspun, and to me it smelled like some old perfume, but I just set everything that I had put on my face with that. I just went back in that sleep palette, and I took one of the pinks and I just added the shadow to my bottom eye. So that yellow wasn't bright enough to me. Like, I felt like some of the colors was fading out. So I went in with my spongy little, I don't know what you call it. I just call it a little spongy thing, and just put in some more eyeshadow so them colors could pop more.